Welcome to the Mini Workshop Series installation tutorial. Before we begin, please note that your system requirements are that you only use Windows operating systems on your computer. To access your documents, you must have Microsoft Office and Adobe Reader on your computer. This tutorial comes in 3 easy steps. Part 1. Downloading your documents. Part 2. One-time installation for your PDF documents. Part 3. One-time installation for your PowerPoint documents. In Part 1, we will start by downloading your documents. Open the email welcoming you to your trainer's kit. Click the buttons here and here to download your files. Remember this password for the next step. You will then be taken to a download page. Enter the password from your email here. Then, select all your files and click Download. You will then receive another prompt to enter your email to register your document. Download the files into your computer, and that is done. Now in Part 2, we will begin by accessing your PDF document with this one-time installation. Open your PDF document and you will see this page. Enter your email address here and click Submit. A PIN code will be sent to your email address. Enter the PIN code in the PDF document and click Submit again. You now have permanent access to your PDF documents. Now in Part 3, we will learn how to access your PowerPoint document. First, open your PowerPoint document and you will see this page. On the first slide, you will see a link to download the installer. Hold the Control button and click the link. Double-click the file and you will run this installer. At the Install Shield wizard, click Next. Click Install, and then click Finish. Just like the PDF document, enter your email address here, and you will receive a PIN code that you will have to enter here. You now have permanent access to your PowerPoint slides. Congratulations! You now have complete access to your MWS Trainer's Kit. If you ever have any questions on the MWS Trainer's Kit Production Activation Service or any other MWS related questions, you can find our MWS Help Desk on our welcome email. Thank you!